We all know Andrea for her kindness, her generosity, but most of all, her perfection. However, is her over-apologeticness really necessary? What we attempt to do today is show what should Andrea do by showing her natural reaction in several circumstances.
Oh, sorry.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? No, I'm so sorry.
No, it's alright.
No, you need to go to the hospital. Are you sure?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. Were you here first?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There you go. Yeah. Oi, what are you doing?
Hello, Andrea.
Oh, hey, Steen. Hey, yeah.
Hey, Andrea, how you? Oh.
Hey, Steen. How you doing?
Hey, give me all your money.
Here, just take the whole purse. I'm sorry if I don't have enough.
There's like no money in here.
I'm sorry. What do you want me to do?
Hey, give me all your money.
No.
Andrea, you're retarded.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. That's just the way I am. God made me that way. You know, Jesus knit me in my mother's womb. I'm so sorry. I can't be better for you.
Andrea, you're retarded.
Yeah? Well, read between the lines.
Are you enjoying the movie? The movie, Andrea?
Yes, I am. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Are you enjoying the movie, darling?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned that though being very apologetic and nice is very good, sometimes being a little bit aggro can be good too.